Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair care video. So I received a lot of products this month, like hair care products this month, and I've been trying and then changing and then trying and changing the products. But touch wood, all these products have turned to be super awesome for me. Look at my hair. I am really thankful to God that they haven't done anything to my hair. So today I'm gonna review Just Herbs product. Brand sent me 3 products from Just Herbs, and if you don't know, Just Herbs is an Indian brand which is free of chemicals, which is free of fragrance, color, SLS, paraben. And to be honest, I have used their products 2 times only, like just the 2 wash, because I've been trying different products for like past 1 month. And yeah, if you want to know what are these products, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I received 3 products from the brand. This one is the oil, this one is the hair mask, and this one is the shampoo. And now let me introduce you to the products one by one. And the first product that I have with me is this hair oil from Just Herbs. So this is their Java Kusum hair oil, and it has goodness of Bhringraj, Brahmi and Indian gooseberry. This is an Ayurvedic oil which is for all hair types, and it is free of paraben, mineral oil, and it is 100% natural. So this is a non-sticky oil which prevents dandruff, hair fall and premature graying. And now let me read out some ingredients for you. It has hibiscus, it has Indian gooseberry, it has henna which is mehendi, it has cold pressed castor oil, it has cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, it has cold pressed sesame oil. So ingredients are really awesome. So its ingredients, hibiscus, amla and indigo, work gradually to darken the hair, while henna work as conditioner. It has blend of vegetable oils that provide nourishment. So I just take the sufficient amount of oil to my palm and rub it like this so that it gets warmed up between my palms, and then I massage it into my hair and leave it for 2 or 3 hours. That's it. So as I already told you, it is a non-sticky oil, not at all greasy, and I really love how it feels on my hair. But I can't tolerate its smell. It is like very weird kind of smell, and yeah, like the smell is very weird. Like in just one wash it gets off easily, and it truly nourishes your scalp, your hair. But I am not sure about split ends because I don't have any, and it is like I have used it for just 2 times. And I am also not sure about the darkening of hair because it is something that you have to notice like when you gradually start using it. So yeah, but all in all, I really like this oil, and if you want to try it, you can definitely go for this because it has some awesome ingredients. Now the next product that I have with me is this hair mask, and this is their Shiro Lepam hair and scalp treatment mask, and I really love the floral packaging that it has. I really love it. So this is like quite a big tub, and I really love the packaging of this jar as well. And to be very honest, this is one of the best hair masks that I have ever used. Trust me, I'm not bragging at all. On my recommendation, I really want you all to try this. It is a request. You all are going to love me and thank me later. So it is a wholesome hair repair for dull, dry and damaged hair, which I totally agree. You will feel the difference in your hair after one wash only. So it has Amla, Shankh Pushpi, Bhringraj, and what it claims, it controls frizz, it strengthens hair, it helps reduce hair fall, it promotes hair growth, it detangles and smoothens. So let me quickly tell you what is right for this claim and what is not. It controls frizz, definitely yes, you won't see my hair frizzy like I have washed today only. It strengthens hair, like I can't say just after 2 use only, so yes, this is like question mark. It helps reduce hair fall, literally I can't say this as well, question mark. It promotes hair growth. It detangles and smoothens, definitely yes. It really gives nourishment to your hair. It makes them smooth and silky and shiny as well. So let me show you the texture of this. It is just like some other masks. It is like a thick cream for your hair, and I truly love its formulation. I really love how it makes a difference to your hair. So I use hair masks once a week, and what I do is like I take a generous amount of this hair mask into my palm like this, and then I apply it to the roots of my hair and then to the lengths of my hair like this, and I leave it for about half an hour and then I just rinse it off. And now let me read out some ingredients for you. First of all, it is paraben mineral oil sulfate free, and it is 99.2% made up of natural ingredients but 100% herbal active. So it has aloe vera, shank pushpi, amla, mulethi, bhringraj jojoba oil, chironji, extra virgin coconut oil, purified water, cold pressed avocado, vegetable glycerin, shea, and some other ingredients as well which I am not able to pronounce and I haven't heard of them, but they all are natural. So yeah, if you are looking for a good hair mask, then you must go for this. Like, I highly recommend this hair mask. And now the last product that I have with me is this shampoo from Just Herbs. It is their Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo. It has this kind of packaging, like you have to pour it like this, and yeah, it is green in color. So I already told you there is no added color, these all are natural. Now again, this is also one of my favorite shampoos. I'm really loving it. Like, to be very honest, I haven't tried any product from Just Herbs. This is the first time, and this is just because brand has sent it to me, but I am truly loving the results. If you ask me, out of 3 which is the product that I am going to buy, there are 2. This mask and this shampoo. This shampoo do some magic to your hair. This shampoo is specially formulated to strengthen the roots. It nourishes the scalp while effectively cleansing your scalp, and it effectively cleanses the hair without stripping off the natural oil. So I used it for 2 times, and my take on this product, it controls dryness, it controls frizziness, and it definitely adds strength and bounce. Like, this is the one thing I really need in any of my hair care product. I need my hair to be bouncy because it gives an illusion of voluminous hair. So I really love that bouncy effect in my hair. So its key ingredients are methi, cold pressed wheat germ oil, shikakai, and soya, purified water, steam distilled water, citric acid, blend of herbs and essential oils, and there are a lot more. So how I like to use this, like, I take a coin size of this shampoo, I rub it like this to form some lather, and then I apply it on my hair. It doesn't form crazy lather because it is SLS and paraben free. But yeah, you have to take the right amount of this shampoo. If you want to ask whether I'll buy this product again or not, then definitely yes. These 2 products I love. I am definitely going to try other variants as well, but for this Methi Shikakai, it is an awesome shampoo. You all are gonna love it. Alright, that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.